Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Google password. First, you have to open a browser in your device. Then search for Google accounts. Now, click on the first website. Then from here, make sure you are at the right Gmail that you want to change password for. Now, after selecting the Gmail, you will find a security option here. Go to the security section. Now scroll down and you will find password section. Simply click on it. This option is allow you to change your current password of your Google account, but to get the access of this page, the change password page, you must need to enter your current password first to verify your identification to Google. Now after verification, you just need to enter a strong password in the new password section. Then you have to confirm your new password here. Then after completing these two boxes here, just simply click on change password button. As soon as you click on the change password button, you will get notified through your email that your password has been changed. Sometimes they ask for identification verification. Then you just need to complete the verification process, and then you will find that your Google account's password is successfully changed. That's how you can change your Google password. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.